Here are some tips to help you improve your cooking skills. Let's start. Start with simple recipes. Begin by mastering basic recipes that use a few ingredients and simple techniques. This will build your confidence and help you understand foundational cooking principles. Gather quality ingredients. Choose fresh, high-quality ingredients whenever possible. Fresh ingredients often have better flavor and texture, which can greatly enhance your dishes. Follow recipes carefully. Read the entire recipe before you start cooking. Pay attention to measurements, cooking times, and instructions. Follow the steps precisely to achieve the desired results. Learn and experiment with seasonings. Experiment with various herbs, spices, and seasonings to add depth and flavor to your dishes. Start with basic combinations and gradually expand your repertoire. Master basic cooking techniques. Learn essential techniques like chopping, sautéing, roasting, grilling, and boiling. These techniques form the foundation of many recipes and will help you cook a wide variety of dishes. Use proper cooking tools. Invest in quality cooking tools and utensils. Having the right equipment, such as sharp knives, non-stick pans, and reliable kitchen appliances, can greatly enhance your cooking experience. Taste and adjust. Taste your food as you cook and adjust the seasonings as needed. Developing your palate will help you understand flavors and make adjustments to achieve the perfect balance. Practice knife skills. Take the time to improve your knife skills. Proper cutting techniques can improve the presentation and texture of your dishes. Keep your kitchen organized. A clean and organized kitchen makes cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Keep your tools, ingredients, and utensils well organized for easy access during cooking. Learn from others. Seek inspiration and guidance from experienced cooks and chefs. Watch cooking tutorials, read cookbooks, or take cooking classes to expand your knowledge and learn new techniques. To wrap up this video, I want to express my sincere appreciation to each and every one of you for taking the time to watch and engage with my content. Your support and feedback have been invaluable to me, and I'm grateful for the community we've built together. As this video comes to a close, I encourage you to stay connected and continue exploring the topics and ideas we've discussed. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey.